Right now it's 6:38 p.m. and I'm kind of processing everything right now. They just hung up on me. I hope this is a lesson for people. If you want to go on Etsy, by all means go for it, but you gotta read those fine lines. I'm just questioning my whole life right now.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video with me, and say hello to my new background. We have lots to talk about today. As you can see from the title, my Etsy shop has been deactivated, unfortunately, and my name has changed, and I have a big announcement. So this video is going to be filled with a lot of tea, but before I get to the video, I wanted to put a disclaimer out. I don't want this to be an I hate Etsy video, and I just wanted to kind of shed some light on the situation that I've been through, so maybe you can learn from it and hopefully not make the same mistakes that I have done. So again, I just wanted to put that disclaimer out here because I am forever grateful for what Etsy has done for me, and it has truly kind of changed my life. And I know you might be saying, Amy, what are you talking about? Your shop got deactivated. That's awful. Life happens, things happen that we cannot control. Sometimes they're for the better. And as always, before I get into the video, I need to introduce myself. If you don't know me, my name's Amy, and I post all content in regards to Cricut tutorials, projects, design space tips, font tutorials, any tech videos like that. And I'm slowly wanting to get more into the how to start a business and how to create a life that you love kind of atmosphere. So if you want to see those videos and are interested in this video, please give this video a thumbs up and also click my subscribe button to see more videos. Now I have that out of the way, I can briefly give you a, I guess, backstory as to how we got here and who I am as a person, right? I created this platform of mine, not YouTube just yet. I created an Instagram, a craft DIY Instagram in 2018, I think around like August, September, around there. I bought a Cricut and I really wanted to start selling things. So I made everything that you can possibly think of when it comes to the Cricut. A lot of custom designs, whether it's t-shirts, apparel, wine glasses, doormats, wood signs. I was just experimenting with everything and seeing what people liked. I continued that throughout my college life, working my part-time job, and also starting this YouTube channel. So I started my channel 6 months after I opened my craft Instagram. So I was really busy, but I put a lot of time and effort into this because I really believed that I wanted to be a business owner and I wanted to create a platform where I can teach you guys that you can do the same thing as me and create items for people. I continued doing that. I graduated in May of 2019. Then I got a full-time job. So now I was juggling my YouTube channel, my full-time job, and my craft business. 2020 came, and then the pandemic came, of course. TikTok arose. I've gone viral on there quite a few times. Outer Banks, the TV show, it was on Netflix, was a popular TV show at the time. Everyone was binge watching it. So I made a TikTok on the show, and it got really big where I was getting constant comments every day. Please sell this, please make this. So I said to myself, yeah, all right, let me make an Etsy shop. I didn't want to miss that opportunity. I did create a YouTube video on behind the scenes of my Etsy shop the week leading up to it. So I launched it technically, I think May 30th or the last day in May. And immediately I was getting sales. It was basically everyone, I think, from TikTok just ordering from me and loving my work, and it was so much fun. Fast forward to the holiday season, again, it was booming. Everyone was ordering from me, and I didn't have my Outer Banks apparel at this time, but I had what I wanted to have on there, which was, of course, my doormats and some Christmas ornaments, some holiday things. I finished my holiday orders, I think, like the middle of December, probably like around the 15th or the 10th, like around there. And then I unfortunately got COVID. I said to myself, well, I can't be making anything while I'm on COVID, and luckily all my orders were completed. So I put my shop on vacation. When I had COVID, I was miserable. I've never felt that sick in my entire life, and it was really scary because even to this day I still get a lot of chest pains and I get very winded. When that happened, I kind of said to myself, I don't know if I can continue making doormats, at least to the way that I could, because I was making close to maybe 5 to 8 doormats a day. It took a lot on my body just when I was healthy and normal. That was a concern in itself. But I said, you know what, when I take my shop off of vacation mode, I will just remove the doormats for now and I will post everything else. When I was finally feeling better, I was making some of the listings, the drafts in there. That Sunday, I remember I had everything together. I just needed to upload the photos. The next day, I was making some ring dishes and I was like, oh, let me log into Etsy to make an adjustment. And I get this notification. And I say to myself, did someone hack into my account? Like, did someone report my account? Like, what's going on? And eventually I found out that my account was suspended.
It is January 18th, Monday. Right now it's 6:38 p.m. and I'm kind of processing everything right now. I wanted to pick up the camera because I don't know where this is gonna go. The only thing that I can do is email customer service. I tried calling them, I spoke with someone, and she told me point blank she can't do anything. I have to wait for that email. And online it says it's a 1 to 2 day wait for an email response. I'm just really hurt right now. I'm documenting this. Oh my god. I can't believe I'm doing this right now. I just came back from 7-Eleven because I got myself some Ben & Jerry's. I just wanted to come on here and just talk about my frustrations. I think what's the most frustrating thing about all of this is that I woke up today like not knowing that this was gonna happen, obviously. Maybe that was the issue. I don't know. Call me crazy or something. I've just been hearing this phrase a lot, like don't put all of your eggs in one basket. An instance like this just proves itself. Like, don't get me wrong, I have YouTube, I have my other part-time job, which is giving me income, like for now, not where I want it to be obviously, but it's giving me something. And I have affiliate marketing too on like multiple platforms. Good thing I didn't have any pending orders. I don't have the money to pay for a website every month, and it adds up and it's expensive, and to do all that, I'm kind of just at a loss of like words right now, and I'm kind of just, again, just questioning my whole life right now. And it just sucks because I put all of this work and effort for the past 3 years, and for what? For it all to just get taken away like that. I hope this is a lesson for people. You want to go on Etsy, by all means go for it, but you gotta read those fine lines. You just have to, because something like this could happen to you unless you have your own website. I got cookie dough, if anyone was wondering. My whole life, I've been trying to figure out what my purpose is and what my reason is and what I want to do. And it's like I keep getting hit with multiple choice. Like, I know I want to, you know, be an inspiration to people. I want to teach people. I want to show people that they can do what I do. I keep getting hit with all of this multiple choice. Like, well, you can't do this anymore with your life, so maybe figure out something else. Or it's like I'm on the path, but I'm never getting to where it is. Again, I'm just vlogging this for educational purposes as I eat my Ben & Jerry's.
I did not receive an email. I did not get any notification as to why this happened. I did not give them any reason to deactivate my account. Nothing else on my site had any copyright issues. Here I had all these draft listings and all my product listings, and poof, they were gone. Immediately I called Etsy, their customer service. I had a dig for this phone number, by the way, so if you need that phone number, I will give it to you. I called 3 times in total. The first time I did not record, but the second time I did, and I will show that clip in a few seconds. The first time I called, the person didn't know why this happened. I gave them my information. They couldn't pull up my account. They couldn't tell me why this happened, and they said, oh, we'll make this top priority. We can't deal with this, but you'll receive an email from us within like 24 hours. So I said, okay, great, thank you so much. Like, thank you for working with me. I did not receive anything that whole week, and I called, I think, that Monday. So when it hit to Friday, I was like, this is not looking good. I called again, and I will insert the clip here as to what happened.
Hi, thanks for calling Etsy support. Can I have your full name and email before we proceed?
Yes, of course.
Thanks, Amy. And what about the name of your Etsy shop and the last 4 digits of the billing card associated to it?
Yes, my shop name is Shop New Moon Co.
So, currently checking your account in general. So would you mind if I'll be putting you in a quick hold for now while checking this for you?
Yes, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. And while you're on the hold, I will also check your previous contact with us about the same issue. Based on your account. So, okay. So yes, after reviewing your Etsy account, Amy, I can see that our trusted safety team has been in touch with you regarding your account suspension. With regards to that, we won't unable to restore your account over the phone, but would instead direct you to the reviews and directives that our trusted safety team sent you over email. And with that, because we're unable to assist you over the phone, we'll need to end this call, and we appreciate your cooperation and understanding.
Hold on. Are you? They just hung up on me. What the hell? She didn't even give me time to explain, and I have not received one email whatsoever on this. One email. So that's it. So unprofessional, by the way. Like, honestly, I can't believe that just happened.
And as you can see, their customer service was clearly not handling this. They gave me a ticket number. I guess they never held on to it. Still never received an email at this point, and I was getting a little frustrated because I said, why did I not receive anything? It was just so unprofessional for a well-known like company like this to do that and not really look out for their sellers and not have their own customer service line, not be able to look into an account and know why their account was deactivated in the first place. Mind you, not getting an email. So I called again. I did not record this, but he was much nicer, and I posted my whole rant on my Instagram story, and that was the last update that I gave you, at least on my Instagram. So you all are probably wondering, Amy, what happened? Well, nothing happened. I continued to email them. I continued to get 0 emails, 0 answers. I didn't bother on calling again because, one, I didn't really want to waste my time being on a wait list when they weren't going to give me an answer. And at this point, I kind of just admitted to myself, okay, I don't think Etsy is the right platform for me. Unfortunately, I'm not the first person to go through this. You can Google it. This one person said, at least you got a message. My new shop was deactivated over 3 weeks ago and I still have not heard from Etsy. So when I posted all of this, a shop reached out to me and said that this happened to me right when I opened my shop in March. Just had quit my job and I was without income because of those. I'll never ever support Etsy in any way. This person, again, never received an email, never received a notification on why this happened. And to top it off, as I'm scrolling here, they were taking out money from her account. So I wouldn't be surprised if this was going to happen to me as well. The next question is probably, Amy, what are you doing now? What are you going to do? Before I get into that, I do just want to stress that in by no means am I giving up on my dream. You heard me. I had my concerns after COVID. I was just kind of going through the pros and cons, and I said, I don't know if I can do this, and I honestly don't know if I want to do this or continue it. I don't see this as me giving up. I see this as this is a new beginning and it's a new chapter for me and my brand. And if there's anything that you get from this video, I think the one thing I really want to stress is that do your research before. Even though I did my research and I knew that this was a possibility, never did I think that this would happen to me. It's in their policy. It's right here that they can do this at any point. If you are a business owner, if you're someone who has an Etsy account, who's looking to get one, this is a possibility. They can do this to your account without any notification. Things are going to happen and you have to think on your feet and you have to think fast. That leads me to where I am today. So as you can see, I'm going under a complete rebrand. I am officially, I can't believe I'm saying this, I am officially Amy Makes That, and I'm officially Amy Makes That on all of my platforms. My YouTube, my Pinterest, my Instagram, and the final platform that I will be Amy Makes That on is a blog, and my first blog post is on how I made this background. When all of this happened with Etsy, I said, I want to start a blog. The reason why I started this Instagram, why I started this YouTube channel was to help you guys, was to help people out there that whether you're a business owner, whether you're just a Cricut crafter, and ultimately at the end of the day, I wanted to help people more than I wanted to, I think, sell things for people. There was also a fine line between what I could technically say and what I couldn't to save my business and to save my techniques and tricks. And I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to be one of those business owners where people comment, oh, what paint you use, and me not say anything. I want to be as transparent as possible with you all. And I think I had to go through this to realize like that was my purpose. And that's what I truly want to do to feel fulfilled in this life. This was a really awful thing to happen to me, but I'm forever grateful and I'm so happy that it did because now it led me to this beautiful rebrand and this new platform and just new chapter in my life. So that is the tea for today, and that is everything that I want to talk about. If you enjoyed this video and learned something, at least from the video, please comment down below what you learned and just any advice or any tips or anything that you want to say. Thank you so much for watching this video. I also want to thank all of my 5,000 subscribers for watching my videos, and let me know if you like this new background of mine. You can find out more information and some close-ups of all of these little guys, what's on the shelf, at my blog at amymakesthat.com. So I will link that in the video description below. But thank you again for watching this video and always supporting me. Please give this video a thumbs up and click my subscribe button to see more videos of mine, and I will see everyone in the next one. Bye!
I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind.